Hi. How to repair a crack in a plastic case. We take a strip of foil with an adhesive base and stick on the outside of the case. We take a Dremel and clean the crack along the length of the crack. We take a soldering iron with a flattened tip and melt the plastic along the length of the crack. We take a polyethylene plastic screen and melt it along the length of the crack. Clean up all irregularities after melting along the length of the crack. Remove the tape foil. We take plastic polish and spray where we repaired. Subscribe and like.